Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through couples counselling worksheets. What are couples counselling worksheets? Couples counselling aims to improve communication and resolve conflicts within relationships. Clients can voice their thoughts and feelings within a safe place and set appropriate boundaries. The worksheets include a variety of questions that focus on the couple relationships, areas of weakness, and ways to improve over time. They are used by psychologists, marriage and couples counsellors, family therapists, and more. Here's how to use the worksheets. The first step is to download them. The PDF can be accessed via our website or app for free. You will then need to distribute the worksheet to your client for them to complete. Make sure that they answer each question in sufficient detail. Finally, remember to store the worksheet securely. To use the template in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab. There you can filter by community and notes. If you'd like to find the worksheet faster, type in the keyword couples. Click on the template by selecting the Choose Template icon and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where you can edit information, clicking Publish once complete.